What if I told you your body is hiding shocking secrets you've never imagined? From an organ that can regrow itself like a sci-fi superpower, to bones tougher than steel, to the chilling truth that you're more microbe than human. That's right, your body is stranger, smarter, and scarier than you think. Today, we're counting down the top 10 surprising facts about your body that will shock you. By the end of this video, you'll never look at yourself the same way again. Welcome to Top 10 Facts Club, where we uncover mind-bending truths and hidden realities that change how you see the world. Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss a single jaw-dropping countdown. Now, let's dive straight into the mind-blowing universe that lives inside you. 10. Your stomach would eat itself without this trick. Imagine if your stomach didn't regenerate itself. You'd actually digest your own body from the inside out. The powerful acids in your stomach are strong enough to dissolve metal, so to prevent self-destruction, your stomach produces an entirely new lining every few days. That's right, you essentially grow a brand new stomach lining 70 to 90 times a year. Scientists believe this rapid regeneration is one reason ulcers can heal quickly with the right treatment, but it also explains why eating habits affect your health so dramatically. Every time you eat poorly, you're not just filling your stomach, you're shaping how that next lining will form. Ancient physicians once thought the stomach was the seat of emotions because of its sensitivity, and modern science shows they weren't far off. The stomach is filled with nerve cells that communicate directly with your brain. So in a way, when people say, trust your gut, they might be more scientifically accurate than they realize. 9. Your tongue print has the secret ID, hidden. Most people know that fingerprints are unique, but did you know your tongue has its own one-of-a-kind pattern too? The shape, texture, and even the arrangement of tiny grooves and taste buds on your tongue are unlike anyone else's in the world. Scientists have discovered that these tongue prints are so distinctive they could actually be used for biometric identification, just like fingerprints or retinal scans. Unlike fingerprints, which can sometimes be worn down or altered, your tongue's pattern remains relatively stable throughout your life. That makes it both a fascinating biological quirk and a potential future tool for security systems. Imagine unlocking your phone or passing through airport security with a simple tongue scan. While it might sound strange, it's a powerful reminder of how incredibly unique the human body is, right down to the very organ that helps us speak, taste, and eat every single day. 8. The unbreakable armor. You never knew. You may not feel like Superman, but inside your body lies a material tougher than many metals. Ounce for ounce, human bone is about 4 times stronger than concrete and can withstand more pressure than a steel rod of the same size. In fact, just a cubic inch of bone can bear nearly 19,000 pounds of force. That's roughly the weight of 5 pickup trucks. Yet despite this raw strength, bones are light and flexible enough to allow us to run, jump, and twist without shattering. The secret lies in their complex structure, a combination of collagen fibers and mineral crystals that create a natural balance of strength and flexibility. What's even more astonishing is that bones are constantly remodeling themselves, breaking down and rebuilding in response to your lifestyle. This means astronauts lose bone density in space due to lack of gravity, while weightlifters often have denser bones than average people. It's a living, adapting armor that you carry with you every single day. 7. The creepy truth. You're 90% bacteria, not human. It might sound shocking, but your body isn't made up of just you. In fact, scientists estimate that for every human cell in your body, there are about 1.3 microbial cells living alongside it. That means by cell count, you're technically more bacteria than human. These microbes, trillions of them, make up what's known as the human microbiome, and most of them live in your gut. Far from being freeloaders, these microbes are essential to your survival. They help digest complex foods, extract nutrients, and even manufacture vitamins your body can't produce on its own. Even more astonishing, research shows that they play a direct role in regulating your immune system, metabolism, and even your mental health. The gut is often called your second brain because of the constant two-way communication between your digestive system and your mind, influencing mood, stress levels, and cognitive function. But there's a dark side. When the delicate balance of your microbiome tips in the wrong direction, it can contribute to conditions like obesity, diabetes, depression, or autoimmune disorders. So the next time you look in the mirror, remember, you're not just one human being. You're a thriving ecosystem made up of trillions of invisible life forms keeping you alive. 6. The body part. You shed like a snake. Most people think of skin as just a covering, but it's actually the body's largest organ, weighing around 6 pounds on average and stretching over 20 square feet. Even more incredible, it completely renews itself every 28 days. That means in 1 year, you'll shed over 8 pounds of dead skin cells, creating a microscopic dust storm everywhere you go. In fact, much of the dust in your home is made up of dead human skin. Beyond its ability to regenerate, the skin is also a powerful defense system. It produces natural antibiotics, regulates body temperature, and even responds to emotions. Ever notice goosebumps when you're scared? That's your skin reacting to stress, just like animals raise their fur for protection. Ancient cultures even viewed skin as a mirror of inner health, and modern science agrees. Skin conditions often reflect internal issues like stress, diet, or organ imbalance. So the next time you moisturize or cover up, remember, your skin is not just protection, it's a living, breathing organ that's constantly reborn. 5. Your eyes see more than any camera ever could. Your eyes are like living supercomputers, able to detect over 10 million shades of color. The human eye contains cone cells specialized for detecting color. On average, you can distinguish about 10 million shades, which is why subtle differences in paint colors, fabrics, or sunsets stand out so clearly. To put it in perspective, your eye is more advanced than most camera sensors, which can only detect a limited range. Interestingly, some women carry a rare genetic mutation that allows them to perceive even more shades, a condition called tetrachromacy. That means they may see colors in places the rest of us only perceive as identical. Essentially, your eyes are natural high-definition cameras working around the clock. 4. The shocking power plant inside your head. That spark of genius you sometimes feel isn't just a metaphor. Your brain produces about 20 watts of electricity at any given time, enough to power a small light bulb. This energy comes from the billions of neurons firing and communicating in rapid bursts. Every thought, memory, or decision is essentially an electrical signal traveling at incredible speeds. In fact, signals between neurons can move at over 250 miles per hour, rivaling sports cars on a racetrack. This electricity is also why brain activity shows up on EEG scans as waves. While your brain doesn't literally light up, it's fascinating to know that your thoughts and creativity are fueled by real electrical currents constantly buzzing inside your skull. So when they say you had a bright idea, your brain was literally generating electricity to make it happen. 3. Yes, you're actually glowing. Right now. Here's a fact that sounds unbelievable. The human body actually emits light. Scientists discovered that our bodies produce a very faint bioluminescence as a byproduct of metabolic processes. This light is 1,000 times weaker than the human eye can detect, so you won't be glowing like a firefly in the mirror. However, sensitive cameras can capture this glow, which tends to peak in the afternoon and dip at night. Interestingly, the glow isn't uniform. Your face, especially around the cheeks and forehead, shines brighter due to higher metabolic activity. It's an eerie but fascinating reminder that our bodies are constantly radiating energy in ways we don't notice. 2. The super pump that could blast blood across a room. Your heart is not just a pump, it's a high-powered pressure system. Each beat generates enough force to propel blood about 30 feet if it were to escape the body. That's how strong this muscle really is. Think about it. The heart beats around 100,000 times a day, moving over 2,000 gallons of blood through your circulatory system daily. This constant flow is what delivers oxygen and nutrients to every cell, keeping you alive. What's even more shocking is how tirelessly it works, never stopping, never resting, from the moment you're conceived until your very last breath. If you add up the total distance your blood travels in a day, it comes out to nearly 12,000 miles. That's about halfway around the world. It's proof that the most powerful machine on Earth isn't man-made. It's beating inside your chest right now. 1. The Marvel superhero organ that heals itself. One of the most mind-blowing facts about your body is that your liver is the only organ that can fully regenerate itself. Even if as much as 70% of it is removed due to injury or surgery, the liver can grow back to its original size in just a few months. This isn't science fiction, it's biology in action. Ancient civilizations recognized this strange regenerative power, which is why the Greek myth of Prometheus, a man punished by having his liver eaten by an eagle every day, was oddly accurate. The liver is vital for more than 500 functions in your body, from filtering toxins and producing bile to storing energy. Its ability to heal itself is why doctors can perform living donor transplants, where one person donates a portion of their liver to save another's life. In a way, your liver is proof that the human body comes with built-in repair systems far beyond what most people realize. And there you have it, the shocking secrets hidden inside your very own body. From bones that could outmatch steel to the fact that you're carrying more microbes than human cells, our bodies are stranger, stronger, and more mysterious than we ever imagined. Which fact blew your mind the most? Was it the stomach that rebuilds itself, or the liver's superhero power to regrow? Drop your thoughts in the comments because we'd love to hear which one left you amazed. If you enjoyed this countdown, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the Top 10 Facts Club, and ring the bell so you never miss our next mind-bending discovery. Until then, stay curious, stay amazed, and remember, the most incredible mystery of all is the one you're living in right now, your own body.